Hey y'all, Mila the Hangry Woman here, and today I'm gonna show you how to make brown sugar syrup. You guys were super hyped for my Starbucks recipe when I made the shaken iced espresso thing. Brown sugar, oat milk, shaken, iced, espresso, whatever. So I am showing you how to make brown sugar syrup because it was a question that came up a ton when I made the recipe. Starbucks does use Tirani syrup, which Tirani is very popular. They use tons of Tirani syrups in a lot of their drinks. It's just scalable, it's easy, but if you wanna make your own brown sugar syrup at home, that's actually really simple too. So we're gonna dive right in. I'm gonna show you how to do it. I have my ingredients here, so I have some filtered water and some brown sugar. That's it, that's the recipe. The ratio is a 1-to-1, so 1 cup of water for 1 cup of brown sugar. And that's pretty much it. So I'm going to turn on my burner here. We're gonna turn it to like a medium high. And I'm gonna first measure out my brown sugar. And this is like a generous heaping cup of brown sugar. So I tend to like to get it like packed in there as much as possible. So that's our 1 cup there. You can see it's already getting hot. And then we'll add our 1 cup of water right in. And all we do, so we turn this on like a medium high. I'm gonna turn it down just a little bit, back down to low. And then all I'm gonna do is stir. So just stir, stir, stir. And what you wanna look for is the sugar getting dissolved in the water. It's gonna turn like a nice deep brown syrupy color when it hits the water and the heat. And then that's all you do, you just keep stirring. I'm raising up to medium heat because I want like a slight boil, and what I'm really looking for is not to burn the sugar at all, but just to get it to dissolve, that's it. So we just wanna get this sugar to dissolve, and we'll do that by stirring constantly until we notice that the crystals are gone and that this is just a liquid. This honestly takes about 5 minutes. It's not something that takes too long. It's gonna thicken just a little bit, and you'll know it's done when all of the sugar crystals are gone. And you'll kind of see it when you stop stirring, it actually becomes this really neat, like translucent color. Once it has that translucent color, I actually like to give it a second to just boil and reduce just slightly. And that's gonna give it its syrupy consistency. We'll wait for it to come to a little bit of a boil, and then it gets to be a reduction. It also smells like nice and nutty. And you can kind of smell that sugar like caramelizing in there. And this is done. Like, you see how much time that took. I did this pretty much in real time. And that's what it looks like. It's just like this nice translucent liquid, and that's literally it. That's how you make brown sugar syrup. We're gonna let this cool and come to room temp, and then we can pour it into a mason jar for storing, and we can use it in coffee or whatever we'd like. If you want it to be more of a syrup, you can always let it reduce down even further, and that's gonna give it a thicker consistency. I wanna show it to you guys in a clear bowl. The whole batch won't fit in this bowl, but I think that this is a pretty good representation of what it looks like. Ooh, maybe the whole batch will fit. Hey. So this is gonna be a little hot, but there you go. Brown sugar syrup. Let it cool off, transfer it to a mason jar to store for safekeeping. You can add it a teaspoon at a time to your coffee or mixed drinks, and you get that really nice brown sugar flavor. It dissolves super fast, and it's also incredible. So that's how you make brown sugar syrup. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did like it, be sure to subscribe. I have lots of cooking videos on the horizon, so you also want to be sure to hit that notification bell so that you are in the loop whenever new recipes come out. And I really appreciate you guys watching. Thank you for visiting my channel, and take care of yourselves. I'll see you in the next one.